beauties, welcome back to another video. It's Tamara. How are you doing? In today's video I'm going to make a bolognese sauce. I'm going to serve it with not tag noodles, a little bit broader than tag noodles, but I didn't want to buy that kind of noodle that's so much more expensive than the regular lasagna noodles, so I'm gonna be ghetto, put my own spin on it to get the size of noodle that I want. I'll show you how I'm gonna do that. So we're gonna make a bolo sauce to serve with pasta and garlic bread. Stay tuned. Let's get into this video. So in the beginning of my video you saw me doing my celery, my carrots. I did them in my food processor, and then I have ground beef and sausage, hot Italian sausage. Let's just say sausage. Hot Italian sausage. It's the accent, man. It's the accent. Some words are hard for me. Anyways, so I have my carrot, celery here in my food processor. I'm gonna do my onions. I have a little bit of cream. I have white wine. Obvious salt and pepper. I'm doing a can of crushed tomatoes and a can of diced tomatoes. I already have my crushed tomatoes here. Gonna be saucy, so crushed tomatoes and my diced tomatoes. I have olive oil, I have garlic, of course. I'm gonna do a little bit of tomato paste. It didn't call for tomato paste, but I am gonna, and I have thyme. I didn't call for thyme, but it's the Jamaican in me. We add thyme to everything. And I'm gonna make it spicy, so I'm gonna add red pepper flakes. And I also see I put my beef. My pork is already cooking. I have to get it ready for the sauce. Find this. I'm going to use some of this fat and flavor to saute my onions. I'm going to do the onions first. And we're not browning the onions, we just want them to be translucent. I'm just using regular sized lasagna noodles. And when they're cooked, I'm just going to cut them to the size and shape that I want. I maybe should have used a bigger pot. Oh well. So my onions are ready. So just gonna add my carrots and celery. can also omit this cream part. You don't have to add the cream. You can make it dairy free, or maybe you could add maybe almond or cashew milk. So to this, I'm gonna add some dry white wine. Let that cook out. Then I'm gonna add my tomato sauce and let that cook for a long time, for a really long time, guys. It's no joke. It takes long, but it tastes good. So now I'm gonna add my tomato sauce. And this gets cooked down and more delicious. I'm just gonna do maybe 3. Or 4, maybe 3. This one, not so much, not the shape I want, but this one is truly what I really want, this size. So instead of buying that, when I could buy a cheaper one and get the size I want, I just ghetto it up, you know? So I'm gonna do that with the rest of them. I'm gonna put some oil on them so they don't stick. And see you shortly. This is my sauce. It feels like 100 years later, but this is what it cooks down to. Meaty, tomatoey, delicious. Oh my God, guys, it's so good. I added some oregano and some fresh parsley. And then for after I finish plating it, I'm gonna add some more parsley to it with my garlic bread. My garlic bread's in the oven. So let's plate this bad boy. A spoon. So I'm just gonna spoon some. Again, it would be best if I had a ladle, but oh well. So I'm just gonna spoon some of this on my pasta. Then toss. I want it to be very saucy, very meaty. Just gonna plate. Gonna shave some fresh Parmesan. Just that for garnish. I'm just gonna chop some quickly. Bread. There it is. Bolognese garlic bread and my ghetto style lasagna sheet cut to make tag noodles. You know how I do. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the things. Thank you for watching. Thank me for cooking. Stay true to yourself and